Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am also doing great. My name is Lakshman. Basically, I am a village boy from India. I welcome you all to my new Indian village life English blog. So friends, right now I am standing under a big tree in our neighborhood. There are some other boys with me. Today I am very happy and the reason for my happiness is that I got a lot of parcels from Flipkart. In a little while, we will do an unboxing. So let's see what items have arrived and why I ordered them. Today we will enjoy unboxing under the open sky. First let's clean this place a little. As you can see, many boys from our neighborhood are excited to see the item. Actually, I have made a big decision for the first time. I ordered something online for the first time, so I am very curious to see it too. We are village people and even small things make us happy. Now I am opening the parcel. I don't know what will come out from the first packet. I can't tell the quality of the product yet. I will know it only after using it. But I can say one thing, the people at Flipkart have done very good packaging. So friends, as you can see, this is a new camera tripod. I have a GoPro camera, but I didn't have a tripod. Because of that, I faced a lot of problems while making video. So that's why I had to buy this tripod. So we have opened the second parcel as well, and from this a helmet mount came out. Helmet mounts are mostly used by motovlogger, and I ordered this because if I ever make a motovlog, it will be useful for me. Right now my brother has gone home to bring the helmet. Until he comes back, let's open the last parcel. Inside this there is a camera cover and glass guard. To be honest, I bought this camera by saving money little by little. If the camera falls and breaks, I won't be able to buy a new one. So if it has a cover and glass guard, it won't get damaged much. That's why I ordered this cover. As you can see, there is a good camera cover here along with different types of camera glass guards. Friends, this is the first time I am spending so much money for vlogging. And in today's video, I want to tell you that from today's onward, I will upload videos every day and show you new things to entertain you. Now I have attached the tripod to the camera. After attaching the tripod, the camera looks like this. I really love vlogging and I will do vlogging with this camera. I have uploaded one or two vlogs before, but this time vlogging with a tripod feels much more comfortable. As you can see, my brothers are watching me while I am vlogging. One brother is also recording me with another camera. Friends, one day I will definitely become a big YouTuber from Odisha, and today I can really feel it. I am not saying this out of overconfidence. This is my belief. Now the helmet has arrived and the camera mount is also fixed on it. So let's fix the camera on the mount and see how it looks. Guys, I will ride my bike wearing the helmet like this and do motovlogging. Wearing a helmet with a camera feel a little strange right now, but after a few days I will get used to it. Right now I have very little money, so I started with a small budget. Slowly I will buy better equipment and make better videos. Along with vlogging, I am also learning English so that I can show my vlog to people all over the world. After unboxing everything and getting the camera ready, my nephew took the camera and went toward the hand pump in our neighborhood to start vlogging. So before ending this vlog, I just want to say thank you from my heart for watching till the end. I hope you enjoy seeing real Indian village life and my simple lifestyle. This channel is all about showing the true side of India, village culture, daily life, traditions and real stories. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support really motivates me to create better content every day. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming village life vlog. Please comment below and tell me where you are watching from. I would love to connect with people from different countries and culture. Thank you so much for your love and support. See you in the next vlog. Take care and stay safe.